Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export Grafana dashboard to JSON, okay? Now, the first thing I want you to do once you're logged in, come here to the left-hand panel and just open up your dashboard first. So I will go ahead and open up this one. And then if you want to export the whole dashboard from Grafana, you'll see here at the top right it says export. I want you to click on it and you'll get this option that says export as JSON right here. I want you to click on this and then you'll be on this page. And of course, if you want to export the dashboard to use in another instance, you can toggle this one on. And if you don't, you can just go ahead and toggle it off. Now you can either copy this to clipboard and save it somewhere as a JSON file, or you can just click here on a download file. And there you go. It has been downloaded. And that is how to export your Grafana dashboard to JSON.